Hi dear friend, my name is SMA and you are watching Civil Engineering Discoveries. Dear friend, today we will discuss about earthquake, that what is earthquake and what is earthquake engineering. Earthquake is an earthquake also known as a quake, tremor or trembler. Is the shaking of the surface of the earth resulting from the sudden release of the energy and the earth lithosphere that creates seismic waves. For a more developed country, the economic loss due to an earthquake can be enormous even if the death toll is fairly low. Kobe earthquake 7.0 Japan record in 1995 killed 5,420 people but caused 150 billion US dollar economic loss. And Kashmir earthquake 7.6 Richter scale record in Pakistan 2005 killed approximately 87,000 but caused 2.3 billion US dollar economic loss. 2 to 2 of 3 of the earth crust is seismically active, which means that 1 billion people are living in the area of the world that are prone to earthquakes. Earthquake cannot be prevented nor accurately predicted. It is not a ground shaking itself that causes life and economic loss, but the collapse or damage of the building and infrastructure that are too weak to resist the ground shaking. What is earthquake engineering? The earthquake engineering has application of civil engineering to reduce life and economic loss due to earthquakes to mitigate the seismic risk. What is seismic risk? Seismic risk is from the perspective of civil engineer. Seismic risk has the probability of losses occurring due to earthquakes within the lifetime of the building or the structure. These losses can include human lives, social and economic disruption, as well as a material damage. Seismic risk is equal to seismic hazard multiplied by vulnerability. So seismic risk has, so what is seismic hazard? Seismic hazard is probability of potentially damaging earthquake effect occurring at the site of the planned construction within its design life. Example as a ground shaking, surface rupture, landslides and liquefations and tsunami. Vulnerability. What is vulnerability? It is the probability of the occurrence of damage in a building when exposed to a particular earthquake effect. Vulnerability of the structure to previous earthquake can be determined and hence can be reduced by a proper design or retrofitting. However, the seismic hazard can neither be predicted nor be reduced. Earthquake loads. An earthquake usually constitutes the most severe loading to which most civil engineering structure might possibly be subjected 25 to 30% of the building weight. Yet in the most part of the world, even those that are highly seismic, there is a possibility that an earthquake may not occur during the life of the structure. Major types of earthquake. So these are the major types of earthquake: deep focus earthquake, volcanic earthquake, tsunami earthquake, induced seismicity, and foreshock, aftershock, slow earthquake, and submarine earthquake, earthquake swarm, and crashing ice quake or frost quake. So these are the major types of earthquake.